All right, guys, we finally got the Camaro back. This thing has been on a bit of a road trip with SpeedTech Performance. So it went to SEMA, it went to PRI, several other smaller shows. It's done a tour of the country, basically showcasing their Extreme IRS chassis with the cantilevered rear end. So it's an incredible chassis system built by SpeedTech Performance. Let's come over here and check it out. You can see in the front here the subframe upgrades this has, long ways from original here. The front suspension. Of course, we got our firewall in. We've been working on the floor of this, and so over the last several days now, we just got it back, so we've been installing the floor. Check out really quick. This thing's on these Autoglide dollies. Incredible advancement. We're putting them on every vehicle in the shop now. It's made shop life so much easier and better, saving money, time, everything. Worth their weight. So here's the inside of our chassis. I'm going to uncover this right here. We had it covered up. We're doing some work in here. So we've got most of the floor in. We're test fitting a seat, getting close. Transmission tunnels in. Still have a few things to do before we finish up the floor system, but we're getting really close. So once we finish this floor, we're going to go on to, we're going to coat the floor, spray it, coat it, put sound deadening down, and then we're going to start wiring it and start putting in the dash. We're going to have here is the East Bay Muscle Cars, makes a cool bezel with a double DIN screen that goes in here that has the screen above and controls your AC below. It just flows so nicely in there. So that's going in here. That was in the car at the shows. Of course, we'll have vintage air over there, get our Dakota Digital dash in, and we're going to continue building it from there. So a couple things we're going to do with this car that are interesting is we are putting in a 525 horsepower GM Performance motor. And the only toss-up right now is I don't know if we're going to go with the 6L80 or the new Bowler 8-speed transmission. It's kind of a toss-up. Looking at both options right now, I got to pull the trigger on that basically today. This car is really close to where we can start putting it together again. So this car is actually owned by a woman named Natalia. She's a Colombian lady, and man, she is a smoke show. I don't know if I should be saying that. I don't think she watches our channel, does she? Okay. And she looks amazing driving this car. She absolutely loves this car, and she can't wait to have the performance that the thing's gonna have and the ride that it had, because honestly, the ride before was crap. I mean, I love Camaros. The traditional suspension in them was, for their day was good, but by our standards, it's crap. So a couple cool things too, take a peek at is this little guy right here. It's plastic right now. We've actually got these being made out of aluminum right now. So anybody who's put one of these cantilever systems in from SpeedTech, you can find these on our site. There'll be an aluminum fixture that goes in here, basically pretties up the hole. You can see what they look like right there. That's what you're gonna get from SpeedTech. We put these in, but they'll be aluminum, powder coated or something, or painted, or however you want them finished, but or polished. Some other things to note about this is we actually have widened inner tubs. So this allows us to put 335s on the back. I think we could go a little wider than that. We're not going to. We're gonna have 335s on the back, 315s on the front. So you got a lot of meat on the ground, which will help with that 525 horsepower motor we got up there. And if we supercharge it, we're really gonna need it. And that's up in the air. Okay, so another couple things we'll go over that we're gonna do to this car. One of the things is we've got a custom steering wheel being made, and it's gonna match the wheels that we had custom made, billet made by Claymore. So we got all new metal trim from Auto Metal Direct. So if you look on the sides of the car, all of our trim is, well, it's taped up here, but all this trim is brand new. One of the things I really love doing about a full build though, that makes me really happy, is we have a clean engine bay. There's nothing in here, and so we can build it the way we want it. So when it's done, it's gonna be really clean, nice engine cover. There'll be nothing, no crazy wires running anywhere. Everything will be hidden away. You'll see the engine, maybe a couple of the AC lines will be visible, and an engine cover, and that's it, and an air box. Like you won't see a pile and a big mess like you'd find under original 67 Camaro. So that always excites me. I love a clean, minimalist engine bay that has all the cool accessories and all the cool add-ons, but you just can't see it. So really excited about that. Can't wait to get this car up on the road. Really, the car's getting really close. Once we're done with the floor and we can get all it wired and get all the dash components in, we're getting close. So, stay tuned on this car. We're gonna catalog the whole build on this and put the whole thing online, and hopefully you guys follow along, give us some ideas, let us know what you think. We're really excited about it. Can't wait to put this thing together. And we got some other cool things that we're doing to it that we'd like to showcase and show you. Some things we're gonna do at the top that are different than anybody else has done. Love to show you those. All right guys, since the seat's in it, I wanna take it for a little ride. I've been dying to get in this car. I haven't sat in this car in a long while. Oh yeah, that feels good. Actually, with this new floor in here, with the SpeedTech chassis system, my seat sits just a little bit lower, which is good for me because I'm a tall guy and my head sticks up over the top. And so we're gonna make a few adjustments to the seat to drop that a little bit more. But yeah, I'm gonna take this for a little autonomous ride of some sort, like chauffeur service. There we go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and let us know what you think. See you on the next one.